With TSTracker, you can take a virtual walk around your shop floor no matter where you are. Get an overview of activity in your shop. Out in the deer blind, investigate why a machine isn't running. Waiting for your girl to finish shopping? Assign tasks to resources. Queued for your turn at the T? Check up on the CNC department. Taking a helicopter tour? Watch status changes in real time. Camping under the stars? Ensure your 5-axis is finishing that important customer's block. Get a drink at the bar? Look what's running on the other machines. Still waiting for your girl to finish shopping? See what your people are working on, or not working on. While on Safari, ping Chad and ask him why he's not done with those toolpaths yet. Like you never even left, keep your virtual shop with you wherever you travel. Connected with Readiness Automation, watch all your resources as they complete tasks and see at a glance when there is a problem so you can keep the work moving forward. Confidently answer questions about what is going on in your shop at any time with your custom shop floor maps in TSTracker.